In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a macro in Zendesk. This simple process will help streamline your workflow by automating repeated tasks, making your support system more efficient. Let's start by opening up a ticket within your Zendesk dashboard. This initial step is crucial as it provides the context for the macro you're about to create. Imagine, for instance, you frequently send similar responses to a particular query. A macro can serve as your pre-composed response, saving you lots of time. Once you have your ticket open, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the interface where you'll find the ticket options, represented by the ellipsis icon, or the three dots. Clicking these options reveals a drop-down menu offering multiple actions. From this menu, you should select Create as Macro. By doing this, you're telling Zendesk to take the specific actions associated with this ticket and turn them into a reusable shortcut, a macro. This option is a true game changer because it allows you to execute the same action across multiple tickets with just a few clicks. Next, you'll be prompted to edit the name, scope, and actions of your macro. Naming your macro thoughtfully is essential. Choose something that is intuitive and reflective of the actions it performs. This makes it easier to find and remember later, especially if you plan to create multiple macros. For example, if your macro sends a specific greeting, you might name it something like Customer Greeting. Now, let's talk about the scope. This sets who can access and use the macro. Options usually include setting it for personal use, to be shared with the entire team, or even making company-wide macros that everyone in the organization can implement. Scope is an important feature because it not only ensures the right people have access, but also streamlines broader operations, depending on your team's size and structure. The actions are where you define exactly what the macro does. Actions could be anything from setting a particular ticket status to sending a pre-written message or updating tags. Think carefully about what actions will best serve your needs and how they can address the ticket scenarios you encounter most frequently. Once you've gone through these options and filled them out to suit your needs, you'll go ahead and click Create Macro. This step finalizes your macro and saves it into your Zendesk account. From now on, every time you encounter a similar situation, you can simply select your macro instead of doing each step manually. It's really as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully created a macro in Zendesk. Incorporating macros into your daily practice can certainly transform the way you handle tickets, improving both productivity and consistency. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Zendesk tips and tricks.